What is the most important thing for a writer? An inspiration which would inspire him to put his thoughts on paper. It can be a woman, it can be music, it can be a child. But in my case, it is. It's the dynamic yet peaceful, my home away from home, Hong Kong. From the world-famous Kung Fu to popular Hollywood celebrities like Jackie Chan and Bruce Lee, from the traditional Chinese culture to spectacular colonial heritage.
Wait, there's much more coming.
It is the slick and smart, always changing, cosmopolitan experience. It is a place that will absorb you with its tightly packed sidewalks, the tall skyscrapers, the steam-filled canteens, the exciting nightlife, and not to forget, the scenic natural beauty.
Namaste. Hong Kong may आपका स्वागत है.
Hong Kong has something for everyone. My love affair with Hong Kong has continued for 11 years. It has inspired my thinking and it has something to indulge my every mood. And today, I'm in the mood for thrills. What a fantastic way to start my Hong Kong day today. Come to one of my favorite places, Ocean Park. When I used to live here, this is the reward point for my kids. We used to reward our kids if you behave properly, if you clean up your room, if you eat your vegetables. We'll bring you to Ocean Park. Almost every kid in Hong Kong loves the Ocean Park. They have these annual passes. We come here. I think I must have come here like 18, 20 times myself. And I think whenever you come to Hong Kong, you have kids, definitely bring them here. They'll love you a lot for it. And even if you don't have kids, you must come here because there's animals, there's dolphins, there's rides. It's like a theme park like no other, which is not just a theme park, but also a very beautiful place because it's set in the mountains. I can't wait here too long. I really want to get going inside. You want to join me? Come. All right, you might be thinking, where am I? These round holes, underwater, like a submarine, right? Well, this is the Ocean Express, which actually is taking us up the hill in Ocean Park. Because Ocean Park is not just about the rides, not just about the animals, not just about just having those thrills. We are going up to something exciting, something new, which I've also not seen because they just keep adding new things all the time. So there's this rainforest we are getting into. All right, I'm in the rainforest. Now, you've been to zoos around the world where animals are kept in cages, right? Here, it doesn't work like that. Here, you kind of enter the cage. And it's not really a cage. It's like you enter the whole aviary. So you are with the animals. Everything is open, kind of. So be a little careful. And I've never been to South America, but this trip, I'm getting a bit of South America for the price of Hong Kong. That's something known as a King Kajau, which is kind of like a bear, but like a really tiny bear. And here we have the world's smallest monkey. They've wonderfully created an aquarium which is under the sea kind of feeling. You can see these fishes right by me. And I can just sit here and, you know, look at them and think about life, think about my stories, and just spend an hour. It also features the Rapids, a permanent water ride that takes you throughout the zone and leaves you drenched. That's the amazing thing about Hong Kong. They never stop improving. Kids or no kids, don't miss Ocean Park. Well, Ocean Park isn't the only exciting theme park in Hong Kong. Hong Kong has its own Disneyland that you see behind me, which recently celebrated its 5th anniversary. Do not miss the Hong Kong Disneyland as well, which has its own set of rides, exciting moments inside. We leave you with some of them right now. Okay, I'm in a really outdoor and sporty mood today, and I brought you to one of the very special places, my hidden secrets of Hong Kong, a place called Discovery Bay. It is a separate island community of around 8,000 houses on Lantau Island. You have to take a ferry to come here, which I took, and that's how I'm here. And what you get here is literally a picture postcard community. It's like the Wonderwears, it's like the Pleasantville, it's a fairy tale town. You have perfect manicured trees, bungalows, kids playing everywhere, pretty much the pretty picture of all families that exist around the world. They love Discovery Bay. In fact, I used to love Discovery Bay so much that I took a small apartment here just for the weekends. So on the weekends, we would move house, leave the hustle and bustle of Hong Kong and come here and just enjoy this open space. There's not that many places in Hong Kong you get to stretch out your hands like this in the open and just walk around. There's lots and lots of things to do here for kids and adults. There's hiking, there's cycling, there's people swimming, going to clubs. There's all sorts of action happening here. It's about activities, it's about the outdoors. I decided to go hiking from Discovery Bay to the Lookout Point, which is supposedly very beautiful. This trail is challenging yet enjoyable. It offers every view possible of Discovery Bay. I've been making an effort to climb up to the top, and I think finally it's going to be worth it because I've reached a place which I think so far is the best views I've seen in Hong Kong. Here it is. Just come here and feel the stillness. There is a big, one of the busiest cities of the world right in front of me. And I can see it, but I can't hear it. It's just quiet. And almost like you get into a meditative state the moment you come here. Okay, I've had a lovely day, a great meal, did hike. My legs are telling me I need rest. I went to my old house. It has been a fantastic day spent at Discovery Bay, but I think I need some rejuvenation now. And I'm going to get that at the other side of the ferry right after this break. Do you realize because of you how much we have to study in physics? How much every student has to study physics because you discovered a few things? I mean, why do we have to study it all? We're going to Lama Island, which is again one of the outlying islands of Hong Kong. Quite away, no shopping malls, no traffic, you know, no craziness of Hong Kong, which I love, but sometimes one needs to escape. Well, you get off the ferry, walk a few steps, and you come here. This is one of the beaches on the Lama Island, a wonderful, wonderful escape from the city. You just come here, sit down, read a nice book, hopefully my book, and you can totally enjoy yourself. The beauty of Hong Kong is that even though there is a maddening city out there which drives you crazy sometimes, Hong Kong is not just one place, it is 260 islands. Places like Lama are where a lot of tourists come, but a lot of locals also come on the weekend who just want a total break. You don't have to buy a flight to anywhere, you don't have to take your passport, you just take a little ferry ride and come to Lama. I can see people here with their pets, I can see people here in their canoes doing their canoeing. It totally looks like an outdoor kind of place You know, it's not at all the typical inner city Hong Kong, and that's one of the things we always used to love about Hong Kong. That peace and escape is just a ferry ride away. After you spend the day on the beach, there's a lot of cafes, restaurants, seafood places, even Indian places where you can have a meal outside. So it's kind of, you don't even have to carry anything, you don't need to carry your picnic basket or anything. You just show up and enjoy yourself at Lama. Romance takes a different meaning altogether when you are 1300 feet above sea level in one of the world's oldest railways, going steep up the slope. And I can feel those G-forces. I feel like I'm going to the Mars or something. It is beautiful, breathtaking and unforgettable. Get your girl here. I assure you, you will fall in love again. On top of the world, literally. I just finished my tram ride and I came up to peak and I took the lift up to the peak tower. When you come up on the peak, you come to this attraction called the Peak Tower, which is quite an architectural marvel. It's shaped like a wok, which is kind of like a half moon shape. On the wok is where the Chinese people do their cooking, and we are on, you can say, the top of the wok here right now. And this is where you stand and you can enjoy the views of Hong Kong and breathe in the fresh air. Madame Tussauds is something you may have heard of, is a famous wax museum in London. Well, they even have a branch in Hong Kong. So if you come onto the peak to see the sights of Hong Kong anyway, you can also visit Madame Tussauds. And I'm going to show you Madame Tussauds here and find more wax statues. Jackie, I've been looking for you. Oh, it's not the real one. All right, all right. I have to get used to the idea of all of these things being statues. All right, so this is the very handsome couple of Angelina and me, and I don't know who this guy is. Are you the President of the United States? I don't think so. I think he was the President, so I'm looking for the new guy. It's nice to see that some Indians have taken over the US presidency. Good to meet you. Should I check? Should I? I don't know. It's Family Channel. Mr. Einstein, do you realize because of you how much we have to study in physics? How much every student has to study physics because you discovered a few things? I mean, why do we have to study it all? Okay, so congratulations, sir, on you're about to become a grandfather. You put it on Twitter also, so that's very good. So this is Gandhiji. Hello, Gandhiji. We are just shooting for Zoom and promoting tourism in Hong Kong, you know, for Indians. So nice to see you here. And since you are here now, I think more and more people will come. And thank you for getting us independence. That I just never got a chance to tell you that personally. Thank you so much. Okay, I've done my thrills, I've done my romance, but I'm in Hong Kong, man. And what is Hong Kong without the nightlife? So I'm sure you want to see what is the night action in Hong Kong. And that I'm going to show you after the break. All you single boys and girls, and even the married ones, just stay tuned because you're going to see some of the most exciting nightlifes in Asia, in the world. That is the nightlife of Hong Kong right after this break. I'm the coolest man in town because I'm in Lang Kwai Fong. LKF, Lang Kwai Fong, the place everybody in Hong Kong comes to let their hair down.
I love all Indians. Say hello to mom in India, please.
So you really waited for me, huh? Here. So I'm going to show you the nightlife of Hong Kong. And before I go, the typical nightlife, which is the clubbing and the partying, I've brought you to some part of a nightlife on Temple Street, which is a unique place where all the other shops shut down. Temple Street opens in Hong Kong, and the best bargains in town are all to be found here. And as Indians, you know, we love to bargain. How much?
It is fine.
Can you give discount?
Buy how many? Discount.
If I buy many, you give me discount. 30?
Yes.
30, okay? Okay. Shishir.
Sister.
Okay, so, you know, it's a nice t-shirt for 30 bucks, less than 200 rupees.
So this is not cool, but this is cool. And it only costs you $20. That's it. Cool? Not cool? Cool.
I don't know. $20 for the best sunglasses you can get. All right, I'm the coolest man in town because I'm in Lang Fai Phong. LKF, Lang Fai Phong, the place everybody in Hong Kong comes to let their hair down, to party, to have a great time. You can see this place is buzzing. Buzzing is an understatement. It's like so much energy, it could solve the energy crisis of the world. Okay, that's a really bad one. But that's what happens when you come here and lose your mind. Hong Kong's premier dining and entertainment destination, Lang Fai Phong, is home to over 100 restaurants and bars. Just around the corner from the city's busy central business district, it is the perfect place for after-work drinks, dinner with friends, and a great night out.
I love all Indian. Say hello to mom in India, please.
I'm going to go up to some people who come to Lang Fai Phong. Let's see why, what brings them here.
Yeah, just weekend fun. This place doesn't sleep. You will find people hang out here until 4, maybe 5 a.m. in the morning.
5 in the morning.
Yeah.
Let's go to bars, people.
Bars, people. Boys,
Boys.
Drink beers and enjoy.
yeah.
I think this is the best place to entertain.
Good for partying. If you want to just have a good drink, you know, just chill somewhere.
All right, guys, I'm in Hong Kong, but it feels a little bit like Mumbai because I see so many Indians around here. I think Lang Fai Phong, where I am, there's something to do with attracting a lot of young Indians. So I think if all you young guys who are planning to come to Hong Kong, with or without telling your parents, you should definitely visit Lang Fai Phong. I need to cool off. I need to just like, I don't know, I've never lived like this the way I have in Hong Kong. Shopping, spiritual, adventure, romance, everything in one day. How do I turn it all down? Well, I tried to buy myself an ice cream and I'm gonna just eat this ice cream and use that as an excuse to contemplate on my life so far, and especially the last, couple of days, hours, as to how I could live 5 times larger than I have ever lived. I hope you will stop everything else, not go to work tomorrow, buy your ticket and come to Hong Kong tomorrow.